Hey everybody, I'm going to do a little bit of live coding today. I'm going to add a button here that hides ARIA hidden items, and that should be really simple. But before that, I'm going to do a little bit of administrative work. I'm in my repo now. Let me go to the top. I don't believe I even have a README. I don't. And I also want to run this little tool with GitHub pages, which I'm going to do that actually first. So I'm going to go into settings, pages, deploy from branch, and I'm going to use my main branch, save. And then the GitHub UI here is like a little weird. I kind of have to come back to this later to see that it built my page, unless I'm forgetting a step. Um, but meanwhile, let me start writing some code while that's thinking. So I'm going to open my UI.js. The other day I made this little helper called make test button. I'm going to have a function called hide stuff for screen reader. And I'm going to do document dot query selector all aria dot hidden dot style dot visibility. Test button. Hide aria hidden elements. And my action is going to be hide stuff for screen reader. All this code is test code. It's not code that I ever intend to contribute to Zulip. It's just code that I intend to use to demonstrate that my component works right. Although it's plausible that I would somehow adapt this into test code, like automated tests. That would require a tiny little bit of work. All right. So I'm running the TypeScript compiler, no errors. Go to my little widget, refresh it. Oh, I keep forgetting that this is not yet TypeScript. Here that I screwed up. Line 59. So missing after argument list. Oh. Yay. Okay, let's do hide aria elements. It's not a valid selector. Okay, that works. Um, for all these little tests, I don't have buttons to like put things back to their original state because this component just like loads up instantly if you just reload it. Um, so that's my coding. Let's go back and see if what GitHub's been doing. Actually, well, yeah, let's go to pages again. Okay, so now my code is live. So I'm gonna want to add that to my README, but before I do that, what I had before. Let me make a new README. Push that. Where was I? Oops. Went back one too far, I think. Go down here. Go here. All right. Now it's not up to date in terms of this, which is a little weird because I did push. It usually only takes like 30 seconds for it to get up to date with whatever you push to the repo. Let me pause for a second. Okay, I'm back. Let me try again. All right, let me make sure I actually pushed the code out. I mean, I had to because I just pushed the. I'm gonna do something kind of weird. Using the main branch. There it is. It just took a little while. Set on red counts. Branch. So cool. I added this little button, and more importantly, I now have a README file that points to this link here, and GitHub just automatically runs the code in my repo. And the code in my repo is just like a little UI.js thing that makes this component by using functions in my component library, and then it makes these little buttons, and then it there's a little index.html skeleton, and that's it. So that's it for today. Bye. Thanks for listening.